Hey you guys, it's your girl Plus Size Beauty and I'm back with another video. So as you see, I am mixing my meat around here for some chili. I know I should have did a proper intro, but hey, I'm here.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm cooking, baby. So we're just browning our meat. This is ground beef, about 3 pounds. Saute in this here pan for the chili. So let me add this pork sausage. Hand it to me. No, I want them to see the. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And again, we have our meat over here. So I have my pork sausage here, the hot country sausage by Tennessee Pride that I'm gonna add, and then I'll be back.
Ground beef, ground hot sausage, mixing it together, letting the season mix together. Gonna add my sauteed vegetables.
You think we needed more than that?
That's enough. About a cup of each.
Okay.
That's all you need. Mix that in, and then
I feel like we should have added a little more.
No, that's you still got it in the diced tomatoes and shit.
Okay. So we'll be back showing you all what other ingredients we're gonna add. Okay, so now I have my Rotel that I'm adding, which is actually for chili. It's seasoned diced tomatoes and grilled chilies or chiles. And I have my Brooks chili, mild chili beans. Then I have my hot chili beans. And then I have my Hunt's tomato paste, no salt added. And there's nothing wrong with that, because it's going to be enough seasoning. As you can see, we got some Slap Your Mama here. Don't mind everything else in the background, y'all. Added just some more seasonings. And now we get ready to add in the ingredients I showed you here. So we'll be back. You think we needed more than that?
No, that's enough. About a cup of each.
Okay.
That's all you need. Mix that in, and then
I feel like we should have added a little more.
No, that's still got it in the diced tomatoes and shit.
Okay. So we'll be back showing you all what other ingredients we're gonna add. Tomato paste. We need to turn this fire down. We're gonna turn it on medium because now I'm adding in my tomato paste. This lot is really thick. Okay, and then Dad's gonna hand me I'm gonna get the tomato sauce because I have some tomato sauce here that I'm gonna add in. That I just found in my cupboard. Then I'm gonna add in my Rotel. And I have one more can of Rotel that I'm gonna add. So I have 2 cans in total of the Rotel, because I'm not a big fan of tomato, but I mean, for God's sakes, it's chili. And then I'm gonna give this a mixing. Mix that over and around. Real good. Did you add the chili seasoning? Okay. So now I'm gonna add in my. Tell them what I'm gonna add next, babe.
The chili seasoning.
Okay. So I have my chili seasoning that I'm gonna add in. I'm using McCormick chili. Okay, so I'm gonna add that in here. Oops. I'm a little messy, y'all. And I'm gonna mix this around. Did you put some cumin in here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looks so good. Mixing it all in there real good. And then I'm gonna use, you put everything in there, right? You put Slap Your Mama?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna add my ground cumin. I just bought it, so I gotta open it. So I'm just putting a little bit of this in. I'm gonna mix that. Then I think I have some oregano. Okay guys, so now we have it cooking on medium low. And now I'm gonna add in my chili beans here. So I'm gonna add that in now. Ooh, look at that. Looks really good. I'm gonna add in that one. Oh, also while we were off camera, I added in some oregano leaves. I'm gonna also add in, crap, I have stuff falling everywhere, y'all. I'm gonna add in some bay leaves, because you can't go wrong with the bay leaves. Everybody knows that. So I'm gonna mix this in. You got a really good angle going. And I have one more thing of beans I'm gonna add in. Ooh, I hope we can add it. I think I might have needed a bigger pot, but that's okay because we're gonna let this cook on low for about an hour while I'm making my cornbread. I'm wondering if I should do a video on that. What you think, babe? I make really good cornbread, even though it's Jiffy Mix. I know some people don't consider that real cornbread, but I make it really good. This pot is filled to the brim, but this smells so good. And my, again, bay leaves. I'm gonna add 2. Usually I add 1, but for that extra flavor, I'm adding 2. Listen a little. That's all that.